So Bitcoin, Cardano, and the entire crypto market looks extremely bullish right now. In today's video, we're going to go over everything you need to know as a crypto investor. We're going to try and keep this one short and concise. And if you appreciate that, please be sure to like the video. But let's start off with Bitcoin and the overall market. Because right now when we're looking at Bitcoin's price, things are looking very bullish because Bitcoin is set to have its highest weekly close for the entire 2022. This is the highest weekly close we have seen for the entire year. And not only this, which is a very bullish sign, but we're also seeing that Bitcoin is breaking out above this descending triangle that we have seen form over the last 2 to 3 months. So Bitcoin has its highest weekly close, and we're seeing it break above this descending triangle. Third thing is that we're also seeing Bitcoin's price break back above the 21-week EMA, exponential moving average. And this is also an extremely bullish sign. Historically, whenever we have seen Bitcoin's price break back up above this resistance, we have gone on to rally significantly. And you click the entire history of Bitcoin, you can look back in about mid-2021 when we saw Bitcoin's price go from $28,000 per coin all the way up to $69,000 per coin. And if you want to go back even further, you can see last time it happened was when Bitcoin's price went from $8,000 per coin all the way up to $68,000 per coin. So every single time we have broken out above these key levels, great things have happened for people who are in the crypto market. Next thing I want to talk about is going to be what is going on with Terra Luna, because Terra now has been accumulating more and more Bitcoin every single day. And right now, Terra holds approximately 24,000, right around 25,000 Bitcoin, worth over $1 billion. They're one of the largest Bitcoin holders in the entire world. And the interesting thing here is that they're continuing to double down on their Bitcoin reserves. And according to people at the company, they said they have plans of only adding billions and billions more dollars of Bitcoin to their reserves. And this is only going to help Bitcoin's price. So if you're looking for whale accounts, what they're doing, well, this whale account, which is one of the more significant ones, has plans of adding billions of dollars to their Bitcoin reserves over the coming months and years. And this means that all that Bitcoin is going to be taken off of exchanges. Lower supply in exchanges means prices are ultimately going to go higher. It's just supply and demand, simple economics. Next thing I want to talk about is going to be what is going on with Rio de Janeiro. And we're looking at a little bit of regulation. When we're looking at regulations right now, we can see that Rio de Janeiro came out with an announcement the other day saying that they're going to allow residents to pay property taxes with crypto starting 2023. And not only this, but also the CEO, founder of Binance, came out and said that he had gone to Brazil to talk with legislators, talk with people in the country about what their plans are for crypto moving forward. And in this meeting, he went to Rio de Janeiro, he talked with a couple people, and he said that, first of all, Binance is going to be setting up a headquarters in Rio, and they're also that after this meeting, one of the lawmakers came out and said that now Rio de Janeiro is going to be accepting crypto for tax payments. So a lot of exciting stuff is happening in South America with crypto, and a lot of this is because of Binance making major pushes and big effort in that region. So this is exciting to see, one of the first of many cities to really go all in on Bitcoin and accepting Bitcoin for payments. Last couple things I want to talk about is going to be what is going on with Cardano. When we look at Cardano, there's a couple of important things happening. First is that data is showing right now that Cardano is in one of the best positions it has been in years, really in a long time. Cardano has seen 7 months in a row of red, but now we're seeing for the first month that we are finally breaking out of this trend. We're seeing a green month for the first time. But the key thing to keep in mind is that Cardano hard fork is coming up. Vasil hard fork is in June, and this is very important because every single time we have seen a Cardano hard fork in the past, one of these big events take place, Cardano's price has rallied massively. In July of 2020 for the Shelly hard fork, ADA rose 500%. March of 2021 before the Mary hard fork rose 1100%. Alonzo upgrade. In late 2021, we saw Cardano's price rise 135%. Every single hard fork has been, up until the hard fork, we have seen a massive rally in Cardano's price. So if you're looking at when is the best time to buy, well, right now, if you're looking at historical patterns and historical trends for Cardano leading up to this hard fork in June, we should see a significant rally if you're looking just at historical data. Other thing going on with Cardano is that we're also seeing that that its TVL has started to stabilize. Cardano's TVL has been reaching record high after record high, and now it's over $300 million. It's really been stabilizing at a floor of $300 million. And what this means is that more and more companies, more projects, more people are using the Cardano ecosystem. I'm expecting this number to continue to well over $1 billion very soon, but right now we are just seeing that the projects that are really dominating the Cardano ecosystem are MinSwap, SundaySwap, and we're expecting to see many more continue to rise, like ADAX Pro, Meld, all of these other ones that you could see listed. These are all having big plans, and there's a number of other projects that have huge plans to roll out when the next hard fork is rolled out in June of 2022. Last thing I want to talk about is going to be with Cardano's price. And if we're looking at the Cardano's price right now, a little bit of technical analysis, we see that Cardano has successfully broken back above this $1 per coin. It was a resistance, now it's a support. And this is a very key level. You see this bottom blue line. Cardano's price has touched this multiple times over the last 12 to 18 months. And it's very important that we have seen Cardano break back above this. Right now, the thing that we're going to be looking at is to see Cardano break above this $1.19 per coin resistance. This has acted as a key resistance really over the last couple of months and last year. And once we break above this $1.19 per coin resistance, I'm expecting Cardano to very quickly rally back up to $1.50. So that is quite a bit of upside right there. So that's what's going on with the overall market, what's going on with a little bit of regulations and Cardano. Let me know your thoughts, but I wanted to keep this one short and concise. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.